If someone told you that artificial intelligence could help you make real money online in 2026, you probably wouldn't be surprised. AI is everywhere right now. Writing content, designing graphics, editing videos, automating businesses, and even replacing full-time jobs. But here's the real question nobody is answering. Can AI actually help regular people make money consistently, or is it just another internet hype wave? So I decided to stop watching tutorials and actually test 5 popular AI money-making tools myself. I spent several days using each tool, trying real strategies that anyone in America could try today, and tracking actual results including time spent, difficulty level, and money potential. And I'm not gonna lie, some of these tools completely shocked me. One of them was almost useless, and one has insane side hustle potential that most people are ignoring right now. So if you've ever wondered whether AI can realistically help you earn online, stay until the end, because I'm ranking these tools from worst to best based on real results. Before we jump in, here were my rules for this challenge. First, every tool had to be beginner-friendly. Second, I could only use free or low-cost versions, so this would be realistic for most viewers. Third, I had to attempt real money-making methods that Americans are currently using, like freelancing, digital product selling, and automation side hustles. And finally, I tracked how much time each tool required because time is just as valuable as money. Now let us start with the first AI tool that is probably the most famous one on the internet right now. The first tool I tested was ChatGPT, which many people already know as an AI writing assistant. But most people only use about 10% of its actual earning potential. Instead of just asking it random questions, I tested it as a freelance content creation machine. I researched Fiverr and Upwork to find high-demand services, and I noticed that blog writing, product descriptions, and social media content creation are still extremely popular. So I created a mock freelance profile, offering small business content writing services targeted toward local American businesses like real estate agents and online stores. Then I used ChatGPT to generate blog outlines, marketing captions, email campaigns, and product descriptions. At first, I thought the process would feel robotic or low quality, but surprisingly, the results were very professional when I gave ChatGPT detailed prompts and instructions. The biggest lesson I learned was that AI works best when you treat it like an assistant, instead of expecting it to do everything automatically. I had to edit and personalize the content slightly, but overall it reduced my workload by almost 70%. Within a few days of testing, I simulated realistic pricing based on market averages, and I realized that freelancers using AI could easily handle multiple clients at once. The earning potential here shocked me, because someone charging $100 per blog post and completing 5 per week could realistically create a solid side income. The downside is that this method still requires communication skills and editing effort, so it's not fully passive, but the scalability makes it extremely powerful. The second AI tool I tested was Canva AI, which includes magic design, AI image generation, and automatic presentation building. Now, Canva is often seen as a simple design tool, but recently it has become a money-making machine for digital product sellers. I tested this by creating digital products that are extremely popular in the United States, including printable planners, business templates, and social media marketing kits. Using Canva AI, I was able to generate entire product designs in minutes by simply describing what I wanted. I created Instagram marketing templates targeted towards small American business owners and listed them as a test concept on Etsy and digital marketplaces. What surprised me most about Canva AI was how beginner-friendly it is. You don't need graphic design experience at all, and the templates look very professional. The biggest advantage of this method is passive income potential, because digital products can sell repeatedly without additional work. However, competition is high, which means success depends heavily on choosing trending niches and good product presentation. Based on my research and testing, some sellers make hundreds or even thousands per month selling simple template packs. The learning curve here was extremely low, which makes this one of the easiest AI side hustles for beginners. The third AI tool I tested was Pictory AI, which converts text into videos automatically. Video content is dominating social media and YouTube automation channels, so I wanted to test whether AI video creation could realistically generate income. I used Pictory to convert informational scripts into short educational videos and experimented with creating content for social media pages and YouTube automation concepts. The software automatically added stock footage, captions, and voice narration, which saved an unbelievable amount of time compared to manual video editing. During testing, I realized that this tool is incredibly powerful for content creators who want to scale video production. Many faceless YouTube channels in the United States are already using similar tools to produce consistent content. The monetization potential comes from YouTube ad revenue, affiliate marketing, and brand sponsorships. However, this method requires patience because social media growth takes time. The tool itself worked extremely well, but success depends more on content strategy and consistency rather than the AI itself. Still, for long-term passive income potential, this tool impressed me more than I expected. The fourth AI tool I tested was Copy.ai, which focuses heavily on marketing and sales copywriting. I tested this tool by creating mock ad campaigns for online products and local service businesses. Copy.ai helped generate Facebook ad copy, email marketing funnels, and landing page content within minutes. The speed of content generation was incredible, and I quickly realized why digital marketing agencies are integrating AI tools like this into their workflow. What shocked me during this test was how AI can reduce the workload of marketing professionals dramatically. Businesses in America spend billions on digital advertising every year, and AI marketing assistance is becoming a massive opportunity for freelancers and consultants. Someone offering AI-assisted ad creation services could realistically charge premium rates while completing projects much faster. The main limitation is that marketing still requires strategy and data analysis, so AI cannot replace human decision-making completely. But as a productivity tool, Copy.ai performed extremely well. Now let's talk about the fifth and most surprising AI tool I tested, which was Midjourney AI for image generation. This tool allows users to create professional artwork, marketing visuals, and product designs using simple text prompts. I tested Midjourney by creating print-on-demand product designs like t-shirts, posters, and mugs targeting trending American niches such as motivational quotes, pet lovers, and patriotic designs. The results were honestly mind-blowing. The artwork quality looked like something created by professional designers. I uploaded several sample designs to print-on-demand platforms to analyze potential market performance. The biggest advantage of this method is scalability, because you can create unlimited designs quickly. Some sellers using AI-generated artwork are building full online stores without traditional design skills. However, competition and copyright awareness are extremely important in this space. Still, the earning potential is enormous if someone finds profitable niches and markets their products effectively. After testing all 5 AI tools, here is my honest ranking based on beginner friendliness, earning potential, scalability, and time investment. The easiest tool for beginners was Canva AI, because it requires almost no technical skill and has strong passive income potential. The best tool for freelance income was ChatGPT, because it allows users to provide multiple services quickly. The best long-term content growth tool was Pictory AI due to video automation possibilities. The best marketing productivity tool was Copy.ai for business service opportunities, and the most surprising creative income tool was Midjourney because of its print-on-demand potential. Now here is the biggest truth I learned during this entire experiment. AI does not automatically make money. Instead, it multiplies productivity and creativity, which allows people to scale online income faster than ever before. The people who succeed with AI are not the ones using it casually. They are the ones combining AI with real business strategies, consistency, and market research. If someone watching this video wants to start making money with AI today, I would recommend choosing one tool and mastering it instead of trying everything at once. Focus on solving real problems for businesses or customers because that is where money is always made. AI is simply the tool that makes the process faster and more efficient. The future of online income is changing rapidly, and artificial intelligence is becoming one of the biggest opportunities for freelancers, creators, and entrepreneurs in the United States. The question is no longer whether AI will replace jobs, but whether people will learn how to use AI to create new income streams before others do. And after testing these tools myself, I can confidently say that AI is not just hype. It is a real opportunity for people willing to learn and experiment. If you found this experiment helpful and want me to test more AI money-making tools in future videos, make sure to subscribe and comment which AI tool you want me to test next. The results might surprise you even more.